tearing out the motor, tearing out the ESC, yes indeed, and tearing out some servos. I'm getting rid of one prototype, one to play, what do we call it? It's showtime! Practice model, and off it goes. I am also thinking about my editor and what I'm going to be doing with it. And the other one, if I'm going to make a purchase or not, and just continue to use CapCut when needed. I had a problem, it was an issue, and it's resolved. And now I got audio on You Got It, my webcam, using a screen recorder. Because of a stupid slider that said mic, speaker, and when it's towards the speaker, you don't hear the sound at all. You don't even hear the recording. It was the recording button and labeled not right, if asking me. Do you like the frosty look? I got a frosty problem. I got a frosty video coming at you soon. I have a model that I did before, and I'm probably going to scrap that one too because I don't like the decal sticker tape I use, and it just shows too much junk all over. And I want to take my time, a little bit more time, and try to make one in just a colored board. So the only problem would be is that the rudder will have a white, the color. The top will be color and the bottom will be white, or I can make the bottom a color and the top white, but the rudder is only going to be a color on one side. Now I tell you, with Movavi Video Editor Plus Suite, whatever name you want to give it, it's just two programs, the editor and Suite, that has everything all labeled in there in one. You get a number of things, you pay a little bit more. But now, since I got my screen recorder back up and running, I still will get the Movavi Suite, but I'm sitting back, I'm relaxing, and I'm saying to myself, let me wait just a little longer and think about my decision, because the more I do one of these, the less I'm going to be doing one of those. So I do want to get to use it and do the things I want. I still got time to play with it, and I do have to play. But for me to edit a video and try to render it, kind of annoying of this line. Hey, was I talking for 5 minutes for the screen to go off? I was talking for maybe a minute. I'm not like the way I used to be, where I do it a little faster. Kind of like, not laxed, kind of in age. And yeah, I did my Movavi and I did my CapCut. I did a comparison like a Heinz 57 ketchup of a blur effect, and try to show you which one I like better. One would be a little bit better than the other, but the other's a little bit better in other ways than the other. Man, you have something that you like here and you like there, but you can't have it in both. I tried doing You Got It, text behind the object. And in Movavi, let me tell you, you know how you have to do it? Like the other one. You got to make the video, put the title in, render the video, and then go back into Movavi and then put the other video, and you got it. Do a background removal, and you got it. So you're doing double work. It's not set up automatically, or you have what is called mask or mask generator. So like I see they got a mask generator, because if you have a mask generator, then you can put the title, and then you can do the same thing by putting your video and the video over without cutting out. I now have to go back to CapCut and watch CapCut to see about a text behind the object, because I watch so many videos, but I haven't practiced. And one of the things I used to do, and I think I've done it in Magix more than I did it in Power Director, was put a star 5 stars and have the star come out and slide like this. I mean, I used to love doing that, spending 20 minutes to do it. Now it takes me like 2 hours to figure one thing out. What's this? Is that a moon? Do I see a moon right here? Oh man, that's a nice blue sky.